Hi, I'm Simon Young from Amitech NSI-MI. This is the first time we've exhibited at Farnborough, and we're showing our antenna measurement systems. They're used in many industries, including space, aerospace and defence, automotive, commercial, 5G, all those kind of test areas. We provide near-field solutions, far-field solutions, compact antenna ranges, anything that has an antenna connected, that's where we're using our equipment. One of the big areas where we're looking to get ourselves involved with is the space industry. They started having a space location at the Farnborough show some years ago, but it was very small. Now it's getting bigger and bigger, and we're already involved in the RAL space project, and we're looking to expand ourselves into the Scottish project where they're looking to launch and put satellites into space. Currently, the UK government has to use locations in France, or maybe one or two locations in the UK, but they are becoming old and inadequate. So we're looking to bring our services and our test capabilities into that area. The locations where the UK space industry wish to build their facilities are in Scotland, the UK, and also potentially in Wales. What we can do at NSI-MI Amitech is provide the facilities in those locations to test actual satellites and check out the antenna capabilities on those satellites prior to going into space. One of our other areas of expansion we can see is into the automotive industry. Cars, vans, vehicles need to look to the future of how they're going to have automated driving, and we're going to have cars which are bristling with antennas and sensors. NSI-MI Amitech can provide the test facilities for checking the full vehicle and also the antennas that go on vehicles to look to the future of the automotive industry. Looking around Farnborough, even though it's our first time, we can see we've got many customers, existing customers. We've also got many people that we've been talking to in particularly pre-COVID times who have been holding back, looking where they're going to invest in the future, and now it's starting to happen again. So we're looking to see investment in our area of antenna measurements over the next 2 to 3 years, and some of those customers exhibiting here and have the same kind of approach. Our NSI-MI colleagues are located in Atlanta and Los Angeles, where we have 2 manufacturing plants. We want to expand further into Europe, so we're looking to use the UK as our base and go further into Europe and look to expand into the markets of Germany, France, Spain, where the aerospace and defence marketplaces are good grounds to go into.